Don't forget the gloves. You can't forget your gloves. Don't ever forget your gloves. Because if you do, your hands could get dirty. Well, hello. How are you? I'm gonna let you in on something really great today. You ready? There's something very important I'm doing today, and it's with the car. It's very important. It's not a car. I'm sorry, I beg your pardon. It's a truck, or it's a pickup. There's so many names that you could call it. Oh, there's an airplane. Look at an airplane. Oh yes, there's always airplanes. But today I'm going to share with you some very, very important information about doing an oil change. Yes, an oil change. And I'm going to just share with you just a little bit of what I know. I'm just a scientist. I'm just a Chevy scientist by default. A Chevy scientist by default. Oh yes I am. Anyways, I'm gonna do an oil change today. Let's go ahead and see what's happening with the oil change. Oh, don't forget the gloves. You can't forget your gloves. Don't ever forget your gloves. Because if you do, your hands could get dirty. These are the best gloves that you could use for doing this job. Look at this, I could grip such really good things. I could grip. Is this thing on? It's dirty. Look it. It's dirty. It should be changed immediately. It's so dirty. Oh, so disgustingly dirty. Okay, this is what we got going on today. This is a Castro GTX. It was on special at Advanced Auto Parts. See? It's 5 US quarts. And the Chevy holds 4.5 quarts. So I just have to subtract 5 quarts. On the side it has a little measuring. But we don't want to do that because I got an additive to add to this. See? Let me show you. I'm going to get Lucas and put some of these in here because it's going to help stabilize the modern engine. But is that modern if it's 20 years old? And also, I have a power steering problem. See? It's 2 compartments, but I really just want to stop leaks. But it's just, I don't know. It's So this is what we have going on. The oil's draining. The oil plug was a 15 millimeter. And over here is the
oil filter, look, it's like hidden. It's not in any place that you would ever expect. Oh, there it is. Be sure. Oh, it smells like gas really bad. The oil, that's not good. But I gotta deal with what I gotta deal with. Oh my God. Wow, this is a extended life oil filter that I just took off. I guess that means I could use it for extended life, but I'm totally not really confident in doing that. It's a good product, probably, but not with what I'm going on with the vehicle this time. But I'm going to share with you a little bit of the formula of how much oil you're going to put in. Because remember, you don't want to overfill your oil because that could cause problems, and you don't want to underfill it. So you want the oil pressure to be just right. Well, here's the formula. 4,730 is one bottle. Subtract 4,259 liters. And then you get 471. And then the little bottle that I have for the help of the engine is 355. So it's 826. So a little less than 1 liter. A little less than 1 liter. And then you'll have the right amount of oil. And something else I noticed, look. The guy sold me synthetic blend. And then he also told me don't put synthetic blend. Oh my gosh. Good thing I have another bottle of oil. Remember, it's very important that you prime your oil filter. Oh my gosh, it's all over. Oh my gosh, I got it all over the place. But that's it. That's how you do it. And it's lubed. Lube the O-ring. Well, I didn't exactly do it, and I decided just to use the same oil because it's 5W30 and it's supposed to be better for this engine. So this is what I got. I gotta check the dipstick. I don't know, man, I'm wrong on the dipstick.